father or a mother. Whoa, oh, oh, you're a daughter or a son. Whoa, oh, oh, it's on you to make ends meet. Whoa, oh, oh, it's your job to get it done. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. You're a doctor or a pastor. Whoa, oh, oh, as long as you live your parents' dream. Whoa, oh, oh, you're everything they ever wished for. Whoa, oh, oh, in a position of esteem. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Do your job! Or a winner. Whoa, oh, oh, in a game without any rules. Whoa, oh, oh, you're a saint or you're a sinner. Whoa, oh, oh, we will be nobody's fool. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. To give and songs to sing. Whoa, oh, oh, but whether or not we are in control. Whoa, oh, oh, but it's on you to decide and to settle. You're a loser or a winner. Whoa, oh, oh, in a game without any rules. Whoa, oh, oh, you're a saint or you're a sinner. Whoa, oh, oh, we will be nobody's fool. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. There are thoughts to give and songs to sing. Whoa, oh, oh, about whether or not we are in control. Whoa, oh, oh, but it's on you to decide and to settle. Whoa, oh, oh, this question once and for all. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Job. sono d'accordo, abbiamo avuto momenti di distrazione, comunque gli avversari pressavano bene, ci hanno messo bene in difficoltà. Partita comunque un po' influenzata anche dall'arbitro, che comunque in alcune decisioni non ci ha dato una mano e si è visto poi il nervosismo finale in campo. Comunque dobbiamo migliorare, siamo sulla buona strada, questi 3 punti ci servivano, il percorso è lungo e possiamo fare molto meglio.